What's up, guys? Dane here. So, working on the Mustang. We're gonna attempt to fix my clutch issue that I've been having. I think it's because the diaphragm in this SVE divorced reservoir. Oops, that's tight. So the SVE reservoir has this in it, and it might be causing a delayed clutch engagement, which is causing me issues, and I'll post those issues in this video right here. So I will be switching to this Willwood reservoir, and it has a different cap to it. So it should hopefully fix my issue. Okay, so I'll be removing the reservoir, taking this out, and then just changing the line from this one to the new one. Originally, the manuals usually have it connected to the brake reservoir, and with road racing and stuff, it tends to get hot, so your clutch will get overheated and you'll have bad disengagement. So I put the automatic reservoir on. The manual's brake booster haven't had any issues, so I'm gonna drain this and take it off and attempt to install the new brake reservoir here. So I'll end up cutting this with a Dremel, popping 2 holes, and we should be good to go. So cut that off, probably put a little bit of paint. So now I got to take the windshield wiper off and the cover for the windshield wiper motor. So I'll get on that. Pretty sure it's just a 10 mil, and the windshield wiper will come off. Passenger side, driver side should be just as easy. And then, so we should be cutting and putting 2 bolts right here, and then we'll be good to go. Tight spots. Bam. So the reservoir mounts here. I got 2 bolts on the back side, and I'm gonna have to cut this OEM hose line so it's not pinching where it goes in. All right, well, it's in. Cut the line a good amount so it's not kinked. Just got to top off fluids, and we will see how it feels. This one holds 4 ounces, and the old one held, I don't know, maybe 1, 2. depends, because this plunger, I don't know if you can tell, would take up a lot, so it goes all the way in. So I think that was causing my delayed clutch engagement effect. So hopefully this works, because I do not want to pull the tranny and throw a second new throw-up bearing in. At that point, might as well just swap the tranny out for something else. So yeah, if you like the video, subscribe and like it. I'll have more content on this car, and we will eventually start racing my RS, or hopefully my wife will drive it and she'll get into autocross and stuff. So stay tuned for more videos.